All right, so watch this and then ask yourself, who's actually making Jewish people less safe worldwide? Zionists or anti-Zionists?
Where are you from?
Israel.
Israel. Fuck you, fuck you.
Hey.
Fuck you, what the fuck? You're from Israel?
Hey.
You're killing Palestine?
Hey.
Let go, let go.
Hey, it's okay.
What the fuck?
It's okay.
You're from Israel.
So now think about the first time you saw photos from a concentration camp. The unimaginable shock and horror. Now imagine coming face to face with someone who you associate that horror with. The backlash isn't happening because you're Jewish. It's not even because you're Israeli. It's about what Israel represents to so much of the world right now. Images of murder and starvation, the suffering that people can't unsee anymore. If we actually care about Jewish safety, we have to be honest about how state violence shapes global perception and how quickly this rage spills over onto people who didn't actually make those decisions.